Hi there, I'm Shelley and Seb's behind the camera.
Hi.
Today we've just got a very simple restoration project. We need to do some upholstery. This is a footstool. It's not in very good condition. We need to do the upholstery. We need to have a look at the legs. The legs need painting. The paint has come off in certain areas. And then it's also a small set of ladders. We need to have a look to see if the technique's all okay on it and if it needs a bit of oil. And there's 1 or 2 places on here that needs a bit of paint on it. So we're going to have a look at that as well. Time now to reupholster the seating. I'm going to take all the tack staples out that are in here. Once they're out, I've then got my material that I'm going to use as a template for the new material so that then it fits exactly on top of my seating. I'm going to have a look at the foam to see if everything's okay or if we need to put new foam on, and then I'm going to staple the new material back into place. We're ready now to upholster our seating. I've chose my material. I've chose a little bit of a retro material to match the style of the seating. I've put it the right side up. I've then got to take my template, which is the old piece of material, place it on top and pin it into place and cut round it. Once I've done that, I can then staple it into position on the seating, and the corners I'm going to sew with a blanket stitch. I'm going to build the step ladders back together again, then put the seating on to make the stool. Then we're finished for today and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to say at this point bye-bye, but don't forget to stay to the end. Bye-bye.